Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are Smart Hit team. This team consists of Uswatun Hasana, Febrianto and Rivaldi. We are students from Tadulako University. Today we are going to share you about our innovation product. This is Smart Hit to support hydroponic farming. So, agriculture is one of the most important sectors for the people of Indonesia. This is because the agriculture sector is a source of income for some people. Because most of Indonesia area is agricultural land. Farmers usually use the land for planting media. Moreover, the need for food for humans such as vegetables and fruit is increasing along with the development for the population. However, this is not accompanied by the growth of agricultural land, which is actually getting narrower. We can plant vegetable hydroponically in the limited land yards, like homeyard. Hydroponic is a technique of cultivating plants without using soil media, but using water as a growing medium. Hydroponic potential for vegetable seed and business opportunities. In agricultural with the hydroponic method, smartphones will deliberately facilitate plants monitoring with the Internet of Things IoT concept. Smartphones become a means of controlling the provision of nutrients and water in the hydroponic. Based on this problem, this is discovery to implement an automatic hydroponic system innovation to assign in controlling the provision of nutrients automatically to plants without having direct contact with these plants. So, in this case, a pH sensor is used as a tool to measure the acidity of the water, a water level sensor to control the volume and height of the water in the pipe, and a nutrient sensor to keep the nutrients provided in balance. For that, we also need a smart hydroponic system, where in this case we name Smart Hit, Smart Hydroponic Internet of Things, which is an automatic and smart system so that it can make it easier for user or their use. Okay, the next. The tools and material used in making Smart Hit are: one is pipe, so pump, ceramic velvet, net pot, water pH sensor, water level sensor, nutrition sensor, node MCU, ESP 8266, and modular software. And Smart Hit has three features: 1. Water the plants, 2. Regulate nutrition, and 3. Delivery. Menu of Smart Hit is number 1. The plant sprinkler function to give order to automatically water the plants, and 2. The basket indicates that the plants is ready to harvest, and 3. Fertilizer A and fertilizer B function to regulate the amount of nutrient in plant and mix these nutrients according to the plant's need. Okay, henceforth, here is the design of the Smart Hit system, where this system has 3 sensors, namely a water level sensor, a pH sensor, and a nutrition sensor. These 3 sensors will be connected to the controller and will automatically send notification to the Smart Hit application. On the left is a display of the Smart Hit application, and our hydroponic system will later be controlled through a Smart Hit application, such as if the plants has to be watered and the nutrients are lacking. A notification will appear to the user so we can add in automatically. And then we can see the display from the Smart Hit application. And the operational method by making IoT based hydroponic then installing Smart Hit in smartphone. This is a flowchart of how smart heat works. Firstly, pump fill water into the pipe. If no, pump again. If not water, then check the nutrition. If no, check nutrition again. The system will miss nutrition, the flow the nutrients. If no nutrients, system check the pH. If yes stable, the system will defend the condition. If no, system check the pH again. Will give notification in smartphone. Here the market potential is seen by using SWOT analysis, namely, one strength, it controls hydroponic plants automatically using a smartphone. There is a reminder sign to refill water and nutrition, practical and easy to use. It can increase agricultural yields. And weakness, it can only operate in a state connected to the internet. So for the opportunity, it is effectively used in narrow areas. It can open up business opportunities for hydroponic plants and treat emergency of new similar and more innovative products. I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you for attention.